Alright guys, and welcome to this particular video. So on this video guys, we are going to be talking about a new project called Beep. Alright, so this Beep are running their first airdrop campaign. This is a brand new project, and of course you need to pay close attention to understand how you can interact with this particular project to qualify to receive their airdrop. It is very simple, and anybody anywhere can actually participate on this particular airdrop and be eligible. And the most interesting thing is that this particular airdrop is totally free, meaning that you don't have to pay anything. All your interactions are totally free. Okay, so right now you can see right here they are called Beep, and they are actually building on the SUI blockchain or SIU blockchain. All right, so you can see over here they are still brand new, and they have less than 7,000 followers right here. And about 24 hours ago they dropped their first task, and this include completing some social tasks, and of course getting to join them on Telegram, join them on Discord, and of course completing a few simple Galaxy quests. All right, so to be able to complete the Galaxy quest, it is all simple. Now I'm going to be leaving the link right there on the video description box if you are interested on participating on this type of airdrop. Okay, so over here right now, if you click over here, that we have the main followers right here. You can see that they are being followed by the SUI blockchain, that is SUI blockchain, and few other influencers right here. So once you click the link that I'm going to be dropping on the video description box, they are going to bring you exactly to this particular website. All right, so this website is called Galaxy. All right, so they call it Galaxy, and of course this website is a website that allows projects to run their campaign on their platform, and of course those projects reward the users who are going to be completing the given quest or task that they brought out. Okay, so over here you can see that about 1.05 k people has actually completed this quest already. And of course you can see what you are required to do to get this airdrop is simply to follow their X account, and of course join Telegram, have a member role on Discord, and do some couple other stuff, which is answering this quiz right here. All right, so this type of airdrop usually rewards very well, but I'm not gonna lie to you, if you are new to Galaxy, if you have never completed a Galaxy quest before, you may find something a kind of confusing right here. Okay, but it is still all simple. So if you are creating a Galaxy account for the first time, you need to set up your wallet correctly, and of course connect some of your other social. So like I said, this project is building on the SUI blockchain. So over here guys, you can see I have actually completed all the tasks right here except this last one. I purposely didn't complete it because you guys need to see the answers to this quiz. Now when I click on start right now, it will load up and ask me a few questions, and over here it says, when do most AI agent strategies usually fail? Okay, this is the answer B right here. Then I'm gonna have to click on next. Now this question is in B, ruthless quality control mechanism, what happens to underperforming strategy? Okay, they are kept in the system forever. They are giving more capital to try again. Okay, they are pruned and cooled. This is the answer. So we go to the next one. This one says okay, what is the correct order of the self-reinforcing flying wheel in Beep Alpha model? I think this is the answer right here. So I will go to next. Then this one says, what specific type of transaction payments flow into directly help accurate the training of Beep AI model? I think this is the answer right here. Okay, so now that I've completed all the tasks right now, and right now I need to claim this point. I will click on claim right now. So they are going to be asking you to switch to EVM wallet address. So this is where majority of us are going to be finding very confusing, but to be able to switch to it, this is what you need to do. So to be able to resolve the problem, what you need to do is to on your browser, I'm actually using Mrs. Browser. Click on these three dots, then scroll down. You are going to be seeing desktop site. You click on it. So once you click on, you can see the whole interface is going to change immediately. All right, you can see it has changed immediately. Everything is now smaller. And another thing you need to do is to make sure that you are actually on Ethereum blockchain. All right, so if you are using SUI network or blockchain, if it doesn't work for you, switch to Ethereum. Most important thing you need to know is make sure you have switched to the primary address that you used when creating your Galaxy account. So right now that we are done, then you need to go ahead and then click on claim again. Now clicking on claim again, you can see it's now going through. Then I need to go ahead and click on approve. Once I click on approve, then I'm going to need to allow it to load. Okay, you can see they are requesting for G token. Now what is G token? G token is the token that is required to operate on this particular website. So you need to have it, but you need to have just very little of it. So G token is selling around 0.004, I guess. So this is going to be costing you some couple of G token. To be able to get G token that you need to use and pay for the little gas fee, you come to this particular website. Okay, so you come to this particular website called App Symbiosis to finance and swap your BNB to the G token. All right, make sure you're using the wallet that you are using to participate on this airdrop. So swap your BNB to G token. Maybe $0.5 worth of BNB is already enough. Once you have gotten your G token, then you are going to have it on your wallet like this. You can see I have about approximately 50 G token right here, and the worth is very small. I don't think it's up to $1. So once I've gotten my G token, then I need to come back right here. Then I will click on claim direct. You can see it right here, claim direct. I will click on it. So this is going to be requesting for you to approve a transaction from the wallet that you're actually using to participate on this particular airdrop. Okay, so this may sound a little bit confusing. If you find anything confusing, do well to let me know from the comment section. Type it on the comment section and I'll be there to help you. All right, so okay, see it is still processing. Let's give it a little time for our wallet to pop up. Then we need to confirm the transaction from there. Okay, and right here we have it. You can see it's going to be taking a network fee of about 10G. Okay, we click on confirm. Okay, right now that we have clicked on confirm, it will load up and you can see we have successfully claimed 35 points. All right, so transaction have been submitted, and this is simply all you need to know, and this is all you need to be aware of as you are participating on this particular airdrop. All right, so it is all very simple. So if you have any question regarding this, do well to let me know right there on the comment section. All right, so as you can see from here, it is saying claimed, meaning that I have claimed this token. Right, so it is very simple, and this is the first chapter of this particular campaign. Now looking over here right now, you can see that about 1,110 persons, more than that, has actually participated on this. So you can remember when I started the video, it was less than that. Okay, so this is how simple it is. If you encounter any problem, do well to let me know from the comment section. All right, so thanks so much for watching the video, guys, and I'll be talking to you on the next update dropping very soon. All the necessary link required for this are going to be right there on the video description box. Thank you for watching, and I'll be speaking to you very soon.